Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain my SQL database management system project. In this project, I use two tables, that is orders and employees. The main objective of this project is to learn how SQL queries are used to retrieve, analyze and manage data in a database. Its introduction is SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with databases. Using SQL, we can store, retrieve, update, and analyze data easily. In this project, I create two tables. First one is order table and second one is employees table. After creating these tables, I inserted sample records and performed different SQL operations. These operations help us understand how companies manage sales and employees information. First, let us understand the orders table. The order tables contains the following columns: order number, purchase amount, order date, customer ID, salesman ID. Using this table, I performed different SQL queries. First, I displayed all order records using the select statement. Next, I retrieved only those orders whose purchase amount is greater than 500 using the where clause. Then I searched orders placed on a specific date and also within a date range. After that, I counted the total number of orders using the count function. I also found the maximum and minimum purchase amount using max and min functions. Next, I calculate the total sales using the sum function. Then I grouped orders according to their order date using the group by clause and calculate the total sales for each day. I displayed the top 5 highest purchase amounts using order by and limit. I also categorized orders into low, medium, and high purchase amounts using the case statement. Finally, I identified unusual or anomalous orders, created a running total of sales over time, and classified customers based on their total purchase amount. These queries help business analyze their sales performance and customers purchasing patterns. Now let us move to employees table. The employees table contains information like employees ID, name, designation, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission, department. Using this table, I performed several SQL queries. First, I displayed employees' names, designation, and departments. Then, I retrieved employees earning more than a certain salary. I also found employees hired before or after a specific date. Next, I displayed employees who receive commission. I counted how many employees work in each department using GroupBy. After that, I calculated the average salary department wise. I listed employees working under a specific manager. Then I identified the highest paid and lowest paid employees. I displayed employees whose commission is more than 10% of their salary. I grouped employees according to their designation and counted employees in each role. Finally, I ranked employees according to their salary within each department, identified employees who do not receive any commission, and calculated manager wise employee count and total salary cost. These queries help organizations manage employee records and generate useful reports. In this project, I used many important SQL commands such as select to retrieve data, where to filter records, order by to sort data, group by to group records, count to count records, sum to calculate totals, average to calculate averages, maximum and minimum to find highest and lowest value, case to categorize data, rank window function to rank employees. These commands are widely used in real world database applications. In conclusion, this project helped me understand how SQL is used to manage and analyze data effectively. By working with the orders and employees tables, I learned how to retrieve data, generate reports, perform calculations, group records, and analyze business information. This project improved my practical knowledge of SQL and database management. These skills are useful for software development, data analysis, and data administration. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.